The RIDGID SeeSnake CS10 is a compact, rugged monitor and digital recording solution for use with all SeeSnake cameras. The CS10 can capture still and video images directly to a USB thumb drive and automatically generate a professionally formatted report that can be opened in any standard web browser. Images can be viewed at their full resolution, and video clips can be played by simply clicking on them. The CS10 is fast to set up and easy to use. Simply power the system on, connect your SeeSnake camera, insert a USB thumb drive, and you're ready to begin documenting your inspection with still and video images. The CS10 also includes the full version of SeeSnake HQ, a software application that lets you manage and edit CS10 jobs on your Windows PC. SeeSnake HQ makes it easy to create detailed reports with job notes and recommendations that you can print, email, upload to RIDGID Connect for online sharing, or burn to DVD for viewing on any standard player. The CS10 can run on AC or battery power and includes a 12.1-inch daylight viewable monitor, built-in microphone for audio recording, and a multifunction keypad with full control over camera and recording functions. In the next few minutes, we'll take a quick look at the basics of operating the CS10 and using its features to document an inspection. If you haven't already, be sure to read the operator's manual before using the unit. The operator's manual contains important safety guidelines and additional information about the unit's features and operation that are not covered in this video. In this segment, we'll take a quick tour of the CS10's features and controls to prepare you for operating the unit. On the rear of the unit, you'll find the AC power cord, as well as docks for the optional lithium-ion batteries. Under the unit, you'll find a kickstand that can be folded down to improve the viewing angle of the monitor. The front cover protects the unit and also acts as a sunshade. The cover locks in the open and closed positions and can be released by pressing the two side latches. On the front of the unit, you'll find the SeeSnake system connector, which is the connection point for your camera reel. Right above it, you'll find the power key, which turns the unit on and off. The brightness key adjusts the intensity of the camera's lighting elements. Simply press the brightness key to step through the camera's light output levels. If your camera is equipped with a transmitter beacon, or sonde, the sonde key will toggle it on and off. When the sonde is operating, the status LED will be lit. The 0 key resets the distance reading to 0 when used with a compatible device. Compatible devices include standard and mini SeeSnake reels that are equipped with the Count Plus distance measuring device, the micro reel, and SeeSnake compact reels that are 0 enabled. The camera control keypad has keys for navigating the unit's audio, video, and image capture features. The photo key captures a snapshot of the in-pipe image. The video key starts and stops video recording, and the autolog key starts and stops autologging. Autolog is a low frame rate recording mode that takes up to 10 times less storage space compared to normal video recording. Autolog makes it practical to document all your inspections and save them for future reference. The menu key opens and closes the main menu and functions as a universal escape key for closing menus and dialog boxes. The arrow keys let you navigate the interface, and the select key is used to select menu options. The job manager key opens a menu for accessing job and report options. The microphone mute key toggles the microphone off and on. The microphone is on by default, and when it's on, its status LED will be lit. Above the keypad, you'll find the battery status indicators, video out jack, and the transmitter clip-on terminal. The USB thumb drive plugs into the port under the rubber cover on the side of the keypad. In this segment, we'll cover the basics of connecting the CS10 to a SeeSnake camera reel and using it to document an inspection. For this demonstration, we'll capture the entire inspection using Autolog, and we'll document specific areas of interest with still images and short video clips. The CS10 takes a few seconds to start up, so we'll power it on while we finish arranging our equipment. Once the equipment is positioned, we'll connect our camera reel to the CS10. To connect the camera, orient the connector on the SeeSnake system cable so that the ridge on the strain relief is facing up. Then mate it to the connector on the CS10 and tighten down the locking sleeve. We want to document this inspection, so we'll insert a USB thumb drive into the CS10's USB port. After a few seconds, the green status LED will remain steadily lit, which indicates the drive is ready for use. We'll put the camera in the access point and press and hold the 0 key for a couple of seconds to zero out the counter. We'll begin documenting the job by capturing a still image of the access point. And then we'll start an Autolog recording to capture audio and low frame rate video of the entire pipe. As we proceed with the inspection, we'll document particular areas of interest with still images and video clips. Documenting a job with a combination of Autolog, still images, and video clips results in a report that contains a record of the entire pipe, as well as just highlights of the important areas. When customers open the report, they can view the entire inspection, just the highlights, or both. When we're finished with the inspection, we'll make sure that auto logging and video recording are stopped. Then we'll open the Job Manager. We want the CS10 to create a finished report that we can deliver on the thumb drive, so we'll make sure that the Eject USB option is highlighted, and then we'll press the Select key. After a few seconds, the USB status LED will turn off, and we can remove the thumb drive. When customers plug the thumb drive into their Windows PC, they can open the report by clicking Open Folder to view files, and then double-clicking on the report.html file. When the report opens, they can view images and video clips at their full resolution by simply clicking on them. In the past few minutes, we've taken a quick tour of the CS10. We've reviewed its features and operation, and we've seen how to document an inspection and export it to a thumb drive for viewing on a customer's computer. If you haven't already, be sure to read the CS10 Operator's Manual and SeeSnake HQ documentation. These resources provide additional information that will help you get the most out of your equipment. And be sure to visit us on the web at RIDGIDforum.com. The RIDGID forums give users a place to connect, exchange tips, and seek advice. On behalf of the entire RIDGID team, thank you for buying SeeSnake equipment.